Big smiles, everybody. All right.
Anong feeling mo na walang masyadong positive? Check na check mo sa alam. Control ko ni Juan alam ko. May ilusing. Swat stick. Swat stick. Nagitong sa siya.
Forward and receive their certificates.
Saan na po din? Dahil na po din alin? Sus, Ginoo.
Ms. Lira Tejada and Mr. Felix Mosqueda from the Negros Island region. Kindly proceed on stage for the awarding and quick photo opportunity. Can you please give them a warm round of applause, please?
Truly, Checano, all of their efforts really produced fruits. And all of these students, imagine when they become their own parents, ipapasa nila yung information na yun to earn, save, speculate, and more so invest.
That's right. You know what, a while ago during the panel, we heard na yung isa sa wish ng ating panel, makaabot daw tayo sa 10 million or maybe 10 more millions of learners. But now, you can see that in just 9 regions here in the Philippines.
Now invite Dr. Arturo Ibayobot from Region 7 to come forward for the awarding and photo opportunity.
And also, Leo, it's really nice to know that the 2 million we're celebrating here are just the learners. So imagine the ripple effect that we're talking earlier. So 2 million learners plus their household members, plus their communities, plus their friends, plus the teachers, plus their household, and a lot more.
Plus. So really, I guess if we would have a word for today, it's really a ripple effect.
Thank you.
Wow. So thank you so much once again to Prudent Life UK Prudence Foundation.
May we call on Dr. Sebastiano P. Jimenez and Ms. Eden Dada from Region 8 to proceed to the stage for the awarding of certificate and photo opportunity.
Labay na lang alam siguro. Labay na lang ni. Hindi naman ginang sa iba ko. Labay na lang alam siguro aja. Yung curang na makana. Tagain nila yun ko.
Invite Dr. Ruth L. Fuentes and Mr. Ricardo Dragon III from Region 10 to receive their certificates.
Region 12 rather, to come forward for the awarding photo opportunity. Once again, may I call on Attorney Alberto Escobate from Region 12 to come forward for the awarding and photo opportunity. Can you please give them a warm round of applause?
Region 13, we would like to invite Dr. Maria Inés Asuncion and Ms. May Pescados to sing on stage and receive your certificates. Once again, to our regional directors, thank you. Regional partners, thank you so much for all of your efforts and dedication in reaching our 2 million mark. Without your help, this wouldn't have been possible. So maraming salamat po.
Ka-experience ka, Tony?
On stage for our top teacher champions.
Moving on, we have our top teacher champions whose passion and dedication have empowered countless learners through financial literacy education. May we call on per teacher for their award. Our first awardee is Mr. Vernie L. Aliwanag of Mahayahay Elementary School of Agusan del Sur.